It's February 9th, 2013. This is high tide. It's getting pretty close to the edge of our house, I would say. Earlier I saw a little duck trying to ride out the storm, get smashed on the rocks. Kind of sad. He was struggling, but the waves are just too powerful. If you look out there, wow, those are huge rollers. The smart birds stay in the sky. See the seagulls. Look at this one. Whoa! Here we go. That's gonna hit hard. Woo! Yeah! Wow. I don't think that tree's gonna last too much longer. Either one of those trees. Wow. Now you know where erosion comes from. Here comes another monster. Here comes a huge towering wave. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but these things are huge. They break outside. Thank God, otherwise we'd really be in trouble. Oh, look at those waves out there. Jeez.